Hello dear students and teachers, welcome back to the video series on Science MCQ Preparatory Exam. This is 6th paper of the series. With this paper, you will be learning 240 questions. Watch the complete video and video series to maximum cover the concepts from the textbook and to score good marks in your examination. For each of these questions what we discuss here, do read the same concept from the textbook so that if the question changes, the concepts will be similar so that you can maximum score marks in your exam. First question, solar cookers are covered with glass plate because to trap more heat inside the cooker. Solar cookers are covered with glass plate to trap more heat inside the cooker. In OMR answer sheet, shade using blue or black ballpoint pen only. Now moving to second question. Biogas is an excellent fuel because the slurry left behind is an excellent manure, hence biogas is an excellent fuel. The practical unit used to measure the rate of flow of charges is called as ampere. The current is defined as rate of flow of charges. Its SI unit is ampere. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, ampere. Question number 44. The device which reverses the direction of flow of current in a DC motor is called commutator. The device which reverses the direction of current in a DC motor is called as commutator. Safety measure to prevent severe shock to a user when there is any leakage of current to a metallic body of an electric appliance can be done by using earthing wire. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, earthing. Now the next question. In the right hand thumb rule, thumb indicates the direction of current. The thumb indicates the direction of current. In India, the frequency of alternating current used in domestic electric circuit is 50 Hz. Frequency is the number of cycles per second. Therefore, the alternating current used in domestic electric circuit is 50 Hz. It is around 220 to 230 volts. Now the next question. A heating coil of resistance 10 ohms takes a current of 2 ampere. The heat developed by it in 5 seconds. Students, we know by Joule's law, the heat produced in a conductor is equal to I square RT. H equals I square RT. Now H equals, what is I? I value is 2, that is 2 square is 4 into resistance is 10 into time is 5 seconds. Now 4 times 10 is 40, 40 times 5 is 200. Therefore, 200 joules of heat is developed in the heating coil. Next question. In an electric circuit, the function of battery is to maintain the potential difference. Battery or cell or power supply maintains the potential difference between any 2 points of the conductor. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. When the length of a conductor increases, its resistance will increase. That is, R equals rho L by A. R is directly proportional to length of the conductor. If R increases with increase in length, therefore the correct answer is option B, increases. Now moving to next question. To get a highly diminished and point-sized image by convex lens, the object should be placed, that is, the object should be placed beyond center of curvature to F2 or C1 to get point-sized image which is highly diminished. In which material medium a ray of light bends the least? That is, with least refractive index means it bends least. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, water. The correct answer is option B, water, because it has least refractive index. Object height and image height of a lens is 2 cm and minus 4 cm. The magnification is height of image divided by height of object, that is minus 4 divided by 2, we get minus 2. Therefore, the magnification is minus 2. Next question. Hold a screen in front of a convex lens and adjust it to get a sharp and bright image at a distance object. Then the distance between the optic center and the image is, that is, the distance between the optic center and the image called its focal length. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, focal length. C3H8 belongs to homologous series of, because if we use general formula of alkanes, that is CnH2n plus 2, it satisfies, that is 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Therefore, number of carbon atom is 3, number of hydrogen atoms is 8. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. For alkynes, it is CnH2n minus 2, whereas for alkenes, it is CnH2n. General formula of alkenes is CnH2n. For cycloalkanes, it is CnH2n. C3H8 satisfy the general formula CnH2n plus 2. The amphoteric oxide that gives protection against the oxidation of iron is zinc oxide. Zinc oxide is an amphoteric oxide that gives protection against oxidation of iron. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. Next question. The properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic number is modern periodic law. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, modern periodic law. In the modern periodic table, across the period, the metallic character decreases. The metallic character across the period decreases. And also the atomic size decreases. Next question. The gas released during roasting of sulfide ore is, during the roasting of sulfide ores, sulfur dioxide gas is released. The sulfur dioxide gas is released during roasting of sulfide ores. Next question. A few drops of blue litmus is added to lemon juice. The color of lemon juice solution turns to, that is, test for an acid, that is, the litmus, blue litmus will be converted into red litmus. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Now, moving to question number 61. Dilution of acids results in decrease in the concentration of H plus ions, that is, H plus ion combines with water molecule to form hydronium ion. Therefore, the concentration of hydronium ion decreases when acid is diluted. With dilution, the hydronium ion concentration decreases. The molecular formula of cyclohexane is, that is CnH2n. The general formula of cycloalkanes is CnH2n. Therefore, cyclohexane indicates the number of carbon atom is 6. Therefore, the molecular formula is C6H12. Next question. The constituents of brass are copper and zinc. Brass is an alloy which is made up of copper and zinc. In the same way, learn the constituents of alloys which are mentioned in the textbook. Next question. So forms come with following salt. soap forms come with sodium carbonate. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, sodium carbonate, that is NaCO3. Now moving to question number 65. Toothpaste is used to prevent tooth decay because it is basic in nature. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, basic. The number of groups and periods present in modern periodic table are: number of groups is 18. The number of periods in modern periodic table is 7. Therefore, the correct answer is 18 and 7. The horizontal rows 7, vertical columns 18, that is groups and periods. The horizontal rows are called as periods, the vertical columns are called as groups. There are 18 groups and 7 periods. Which of the following carries substances upwards as well as downwards in a plant? That is, the correct answer is phloem. Phloem carries substances upward as well as downwards in a plant. Next question. The cells in our blood which destroy diseases causing germs are white blood cells. The correct answer is option D, WBC. WBC in our body destroys diseases causing germs. Hormone responsible for the phototropism in plants is, the correct answer is option B, auxins. Auxin is responsible for phototropism in plants. Do check out the function of auxin from the textbook. That is, auxin promotes cell growth. Question number 70. Iodine is necessary for the synthesis of which of the following hormone? Iodine is necessary for the synthesis of thyroxine hormone. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. Next question. The correct sequence of the components in reflex arc is, reflex arc is a pathway of reflex action, that is receptors, sensory neuron, then spinal cord, then motor neuron, then finally muscle. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. Next question. The sexually transmitted disease which is caused by bacteria is gonorrhea. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, gonorrhea. The correct sequence of reproductive stages in flowering plants is, that is fusion of male and female gametes, then zygote formation, then embryo, then finally seed. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, gametes, zygote, embryo and seed. Next question. In male reproductive system, which of the following forms a common passage for both sperms and urine? The correct answer is urethra is a common passage for both sperms and urine. Now the next question. A normal cell of human body contains 23 pairs of chromosomes. The number of chromosomes in 6-cell sperm or ovum of a human being is likely to be, the correct answer is option B, 23. I have marked it as 46, but the correct answer is 23. Because of meiosis, 46 will be reduced to 23. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, 23. Question number 76. O2 is converted into O3 by the action of ultraviolet radiations. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, ultraviolet radiations. Because of the action of ultraviolet radiation, O2 is converted into O3. Next question. The Bishnoi community of Rajasthan is associated with the conservation of forest and wildlife. The Bishnoi community of Rajasthan is associated with the conservation of forest and wildlife. Question number 78. In peas, a pure tall plant T and T is crossed with pure short plant, that is small t. The ratio of pure tall plants to pure short plants in F2 generation will be 1:1. The monohybrid ratio is 3:1, that is 3 tall plants and 1 short plant. But the question is pure tall plant and pure short plant, that is the ratio is 1:1. Next question. The human species has genetic roots in, the correct answer is option B, Africa. Next question. Narmada Bachao Andolan is made for which of the following reasons? The correct answer is about raising the height of the dam. The correct answer is about the raising of the height of the dam. Students, do check out the other videos if you have missed it. We have totally covered around 240 questions covering maximum concepts. Still 4 papers left. In that 4 papers, we will be covering all the complete concepts. Thank you for watching the video. If you find my videos are useful, do subscribe the channel and do share with your friends and juniors. Do attend the live session of science revision to score good marks.